So let's assume, for example, that you would like to add a navigation bar into your HTML files using HTML or CSS. This process is to create a modern navigation bar. So every great website starts with a solid navigation bar. So I'm going to be building that fast, accessible, and works for any device. The first thing is the actual semantic HTML structure. So we can start with the navigation tag, which is a semantic tag. It tells Google, hey, this is the actual main menu. When you generate your first embedded code, here what you can do is to open these element and go for a navigation bar. So this is how we can actually use this element to get started. Now inside, we wanted to generate a div for our logo in order list for the actual links, and it's going to be looking something like this. Go for UL closed and parentheses like this. So grabbing the links is a list in the gold standard for accessibility in the 2026. So just a pro tip that I can give you is to always add an area label, because this helps the users with the screen readers navigate with your site with ease. So in your CSS file, we were starting with the variables. Define your primary color and the text color here. It makes rebranding your site a 5-second task later on. So for the magic, you can display the elements. In my case, for example, I'm going to do one of two things. I'm going to go directly from my Shopify store. The Shopify is like an e-commerce platform where you can just get started totally for free. You have the link down below in the description, so you want to have a huge deal directly here into the Shopify. Basically, the reason why I'm actually using Shopify, because the actual editor can be helping you to add a specific embedded code or an HTML file. You might be saying a CSS, but now it's implemented the artificial intelligence directly inside there. Let me explain this a little bit more. If you go directly here into the sales channel, go for the option that says online store, edit your current theme. For example, inside here you will be seeing the generation of your website and the left part, the elements that you would like to add. Assuming, for example, that I focus here into the header, let's go for add the section and go for a custom liquid. Inside my custom liquid, I clicked directly inside here and into the upper side here. For example, this is the place where I can just get started. The custom CSS is exactly like it. So, and if you don't know absolutely anything about getting started with the HTML file or CSS, what you can do, instead of going for the custom liquid, go for generate. And here what I wanted to do, let's say for example that I wanted to get started with a navigation bar, and the file and the code will be generated in no time based into all the custom website that you currently have, based into all your files, based into your catalog. Check out how it actually appears here, the actual coding, to space out, to add a smooth, to make it responsive, handle mobile using simple media query, the 3-line JavaScript, and basically to recap, I might be telling you, of course, that you wanted to use the navigation tab, stick to the flag box, using variables for colors, and never forget your area labels is for people who are focusing into more, let's say, customized generation of a website. Where people who don't know absolutely anything about how to get started, usually I use the personal Google Gemini. For example, here into Gemini, what you can do is to tell, let's say, help me create an HTML file for a navigation bar to my website. And basically the AI is what it's going to be giving us is the actual code, the navigation bar HTML, or usually gives you the CSS file, and it will be looking something like this. You have the head, you have the chat set, here's the viewpoint, the body, the navigation class, and basically what you can do is to just copy all of this, paste it into your embedded code section, and hit for the option that says next, and check out how it actually appears your embedded navigation bar. This is like truly simple, but if you use the right tools to generate it, so it actually won't look that bad. So in my case, for example, close this and check out how my navigation bar actually, now it's not working correctly. So just to I'm gonna put this directly down below here, and you can see that we have now two navigation bars. The first one that was generated automatically, and the second one that was generated right away. And if I click into shop, for example, this gave me the shop section, And if I hit for about, here's the about section. So basically you can just focus directly with the artificial intelligence that can be helping you to generate much more stuff than that. Or depending on the website generator that you can be using, you can just focus into the support center. And here into the support center, basically you can just tell somebody directly into the team, in this case team of Shopify, to help you generate your navigation bar depending on the tools they have to offer. So hopefully guys got some very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully can see you guys next time.